Welcome to the second series of Introduction to Fortran Programming. In this part, we'll be downloading and installing the Fortran compiler. For the download, you have to check the link in the description. I've already downloaded mine, so there's no need for me going through this downloading process again. After downloading, you have to locate your installation file in your downloads folder. Double click on it, click run, and just select default, next, accept or agree, next. Okay, this pop up here, just say yes if you see yours, but you won't see it. Next. Wait for it to install. Take about 30 seconds to a minute depending on your processor speed. Okay, that's it. Installation is finished. You can run it now. If you don't see this shortcut on the desktop, you can get it from your start menu. This is it, guys. The ID. This is where you type your source code and you run it. See you in the next video.